NASA's next Mars rover will take flight this week if all goes according to plan. So let's jump into the video to see new launch of NASA's Perseverance rover to Mars. We publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. The car-sized Perseverance rover, the centerpiece of NASA's $2.7 billion Mars 2020 mission, is scheduled to launch Thursday, July 30 during a 2-hour window that opens at 7:50 am Eastern Time Zone. The spacecraft will lift off atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The space agencies will also host a series of daily press conferences and briefings leading up to the launch. Mission team members have some wiggle room if technical issues or bad weather scuttle the Thursday attempt. Mars 2020 can still make its way to the Red Planet as long as it launches by August 15. NASA's officials have said. After that, the mission would have to wait 26 months until Mars and Earth are properly aligned again for interplanetary journeys. Whenever it lifts off, Perseverance will touch down inside Mars' Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. The 28-mile wide Jezero hosted a lake and a river delta in the ancient past, and Perseverance will characterize the area in detail and search for possible signs of ancient Mars life. The 6-wheeled robot will also collect and catch several dozen samples that will be returned to Earth, possibly as early as 2031, by a joint NASA-European Space Agency campaign. Mars 2020 will also test out several new exploration technologies. For example, one of the Perseverance's 10 instruments called MOXIE, short for Mars Oxygen ISRU experiment, will generate oxygen from the thin carbon dioxide dominated Martian atmosphere. Such gear, if scaled up, could aid future human exploration of the Red Planet, NASA's officials have said. Mars 2020 also features a 4LB helicopter named Ingenuity, which will travel to the Red Planet on Perseverance's belly. Once the rover reaches a suitable spot on the Martian surface, Ingenuity will deploy and spin its blades, attempting to become the first rotorcraft ever to fly on a world beyond Earth. Mars 2020 will be the third and final mission to launch toward the Red Planet during this year's window. The United Arab Emirates, Hope Orbiter and China's ambitious Tianwen-1 mission launched on July 19 and July 23 respectively. A fourth spacecraft, the European-Russian ExoMars rover Rosalind Franklin, was supposed to join the launch party this summer, but that mission suffered technical issues that could not be fixed in time and now must wait until 2022. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.